Today we're making one of my absolute favorites, Mongolian beef. Just imagine the tender slices of beef, crisp on the edges, coated in a glossy, garlicky sweet sauce with just a hint of heat, and finished with fresh green onions. It's bold, it's comforting, and it tastes just like your favorite restaurant version, maybe even better. And this time, instead of flank steak, I'm using round cut beef. It's leaner, a bit firmer, but if you slice it right and cook it quickly, it comes out beautifully tender. We're starting with about 1 pound of round cut beef. Look for the natural grain in the meat and slice. Across it into thin strips, about 1/8 of an inch thick. Because round is a leaner cut, I like to slice it on a slight diagonal to give more surface area for searing. Once sliced, toss the beef in a bowl with 1/4 cup of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of oil. Mix it gently until each piece is lightly coated. That thin coating helps lock in moisture and gives us that irresistible crisp texture later. Set the meat aside. Let's mince some ginger. Then mince the garlic. Prepare the green onion as well. This will be added at the end for extra flavor and freshness. Let's prepare the soul of Mongolian beef, the sauce, in a small bowl or a mixing cup. Combine minced ginger, garlic, then 1/2 cup of light brown sugar, 1/2 cup of low-sodium soy sauce, 1 tablespoon cooking oil, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and 1/4 cup of water with a dash of oyster sauce if you like a little heat. Sprinkle in 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Give that a quick stir and set it aside. Heat to tablespoons of cooking oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, add the beef in batches. You want space between each slice, so they sear instead of steam. Cook the beef for about 1 to 2 minutes per side, just until the edges turn golden and slightly crispy. Since round-cut beef cooks quickly, try not to overcook it. Once the first side is done, flip and cook the other side until both are evenly golden and crisp. Then transfer the slices to a plate. Look how beautiful they are. In the same pan, lower the heat slightly and add a bit more oil if it looks dry. Then pour in the sauce mixture we made earlier. Let it bubble gently for about 2 minutes. The sugar will dissolve completely and start to thicken into a glossy glaze. Return the crispy beef to the pan. dipping it in the sauce until every slice is beautifully coated. Now add in 4 or 5 green onions cut into 2-inch pieces. These only need about a minute in the pan. You want them to stay bright and a little crisp. Give everything one final toss, making sure the sauce coats every bite. The sauce is rich and bold. The beef is tender with perfectly crisp edges. And the green onions add a fresh, vibrant touch. You're going to enjoy this dish just as much as I do. Transfer the Mongolian beef to a serving dish. If you like, sprinkle over some toasted sesame seeds for extra crunch. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time.